List of tables, DB schema, dump etc. using the Python sqlite3 API. For some reason I can't find a way to get the equivalence of SQLite's interactive shell commands. Using the Python sqlite3 API. Is there anything like that?
You can fetch the list of tables and schemata by querying the sqlite_master table.
In Python. Watch out for my other answer. There is a much faster way using pandas.
The fastest way of doing this in Python is using pandas, version 0.16 and up. Dump one table. Dump all tables.
I'm not familiar with the Python API, but you can always use.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.